Hello children, today we will study gravitational potential. Students of class 11 get confused while studying gravitational potential and gravitational potential energy. So before studying gravitational potential and gravitational potential energy, let us revise electric potential which you have studied in class 10th. What is electric potential? Consider a charge here. This is a positive charge. Due to the charge there is an electric field. We have already studied that a charge has its electric field. If there is a point inside that electric field and we have to bring a charge from infinity to that point. We also know that two similar charges repel and opposite charges attract, but attraction force will work up to a particular distance, and beyond that distance attraction force will not work. Let us consider two similar charges are there. If we have to bring a charge from infinity, infinity is what? It is outside the electric field. Infinity is the point which is beyond the electric field. When a charge is carried from infinity to any point inside the electric field, we have to perform a work done. Charge will not come by its own. We have to perform a work done, and that amount of work done which we are performing to bringing a charge from infinity to any point inside the electric field is called potential of that point, and it is denoted by VA. So VA is what? It is the work done to bringing a charge from infinity to point A. This is called VA, means potential of the point A. Hope you have understood. Now we will consider gravitational potential in terms of Earth. What is gravitational potential? This is the Earth and it has its gravitational field. We know that Earth attracts any object towards its center, and this attraction force is called gravitational force. So the Earth has its gravitational field, means up to a certain distance the gravitational force will work, and beyond that distance, beyond a certain height, gravitational force will not work. Means gravitational force exists up to a certain height, and beyond that height it is called infinity. If we bring a unit mass from infinity to any point, let this is the point A. If we bring any unit mass from infinity to any point in the gravitational field of the Earth, we have to perform a work done, and the amount of work done is called potential of that point. Amount of work done in bringing a unit mass from infinity to any point inside the gravitational field is called gravitational potential of that point. So gravitational potential is what? Gravitational potential is the work done to bringing a unit mass from infinity to any point inside the gravitational field of the Earth. Hope it is clear now.